Tomato charu, or simply called as tomato stew, is super good for digestion and is mixed with piping hot steamed white rice. So let's see the preparation of tomato charu. Heat a pot and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, we need to add the tempering. For the tempering, we need 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, two red chilies broken, a sprig of curry leaves, thinly sliced tomatoes, chopped coriander leaves. Mix all these ingredients and stir for a few seconds. Let the tomatoes become soft. Now add salt as per your taste, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix well until the tomatoes soften. Once the seasoning is well tempered and the tomatoes soften, this is the time to add the water. Pour 10 cups of water. Mix gently and let the charu boil. Once the charu boils, it reduces to 1/4 of the pot, and that's when our tomato charu is ready to be served. Serve hot tomato charu with piping hot steamed white rice, and it tastes delicious. Please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments and click the bell icon for latest video notifications.